Here's a run through the charts for the week ahead, and we've got high pressure centred to the southwest of us on Monday. We've got relatively mild air in across the country, with temperatures on the higher tops in Scotland a degree or so above freezing, and a slow thaw continuing, although most of the ground on the highest summits should still be at least partly frozen. We've got some banks of low cloud around some western mountains, spits and spots of drizzly rain, but never really amounting to a great deal, so a relatively quiet day. Strongest of the winds are across northern Scotland, where they will be near gale force on those higher summits. Stronger winds for all then on Tuesday. We've got widespread upland gales, strongest winds likely to be across Scotland, even some powerful gusts coming down into some of the glens at times, so just be aware of fairly hard going walking conditions even from low levels up. Some rain moving into the Western Highlands, turning increasingly persistent as time goes on as well, but amounting to very little across the eastern side of Scotland, and just spits and spots in the wind across the western hills of England and Wales. Windy again into Wednesday, widespread upland gales, perhaps stormy winds over the higher tops, maybe increasingly so as time goes on. Fronts driving in off the Atlantic will see rain becoming heavy and persistent across western areas. A bit of uncertainty on exactly how soon the heaviest rain gets in, but likely to deteriorate as the day goes on. The warmest or relatively mildest air of the week, really, I suspect, for Wednesday, so a thaw of any of the remaining snow that will be around at this stage. But that's all very short-lived because very cold air drives back in behind that cold front into Thursday. Difficult to exactly how the chart will look. It may not be exactly like this, but it's that change of air mass, freezing levels dropping very quickly, so snow falling and lying down to low levels across Scotland. It may even come down on the back of that front into northern England and Wales, just depending on how the whole thing shakes out by this stage. The risk of widespread gales, severe wind chill, and terrain becoming frozen from low levels up. That's the way things will be to the end of the week. Northerly winds and snow falling and lying to low levels for many areas. Northern Scotland again back in the firing line for the heaviest snowfalls, and extensively cold air is back with us. And it looks as though the cold conditions will be around into the weekend as well. So quite a week of changes. Keep right up to date as always with the very latest information updated every single day on our website.